This juice will detox your body and give you energy. Drinking fresh juices will detoxify your body and give you a boost of energy and a clear mind. These days, juicing is a powerful method used by an increasing number of people to accelerate weight loss, get better nutrition, and help fuel healthy lifestyles. While juice isn't and shouldn't be a replacement for whole fruits and veggies, it's very convenient for many, as it allows you to fit in foods that you might not eat otherwise. In addition, since the cells in fruits and veggies are broken down by juicing, your body absorbs the nutrients better. Want a quick way to boost your energy? Try this healthy juice recipe. There are only 3 ingredients and all can be bought in any grocery store. Are you curious? Learn more about how you can make this juice and later on, the reasons why it can improve your energy by watching this video. Ingredients: 4 apples, 350 grams celery sticks, 500 grams spinach. What you need: a juicer. Instructions. Number 1, wash and chop the apples, celery, and spinach leaves. Number 2, add all ingredients to the juicer and process. Number 3, best consumed immediately. If not, you can refrigerate for up to 24 hours. Now, instead of grabbing a cup of coffee, you can energize your morning with this glowing green juice. How these ingredients give you a burst of energy. Apples. Apples are rich in carbohydrates, something that many people think is only found in bread and pasta. Others even shun carbs. But did you know that carbs are also present in fruits? What's more, these are actually the main source of fuel for the body and the brain. Ever wondered why someone you know who's been on a low-carb diet is feeling fuzzy-headed? Yep, you guessed it right. The good thing with apples is that their carbs break down more slowly. Therefore, you have more stable blood sugar and won't experience spikes and dips that can ruin your energy levels and increase your appetite. Celery. At first glance, you'd think celery doesn't do much to our health. The truth is, it's actually some sort of a miracle food. Quick and easy to digest and packed with fiber and vitamins B and C, celery also balances potassium and sodium levels in the body. It can even help reduce inflammation. Celery is low in sugar too, which is a good thing, since you already have apples for them. Spinach. The green pigment from plants like spinach and kale is known for being excellent sources of nutrients that promote energy. Furthermore, spinach is rich in iron, making it essential if you need an energy boost. After all, a lack of iron in the body can lessen the oxygen flow to the brain, leaving you feeling tired. Hence, a detoxing juice with spinach as the main ingredient will surely help you avoid energy slumps. Also, even without juicing it, you can easily add some spinach to your lunch. Many fruits can help improve energy thanks to their sugar content. Likewise, veggies are popular mostly for their detoxifying properties when prepared as a juice or smoothie. Combining the two will give you the best of both worlds. What about you? If you have to make your own detoxifying and energy-boosting drink, what ingredients will you use? Share it with us below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.